For a lot of years, Mandy and I really wanted to start a business. We have this entrepreneurial spirit about us, and we just always were looking for that opportunity where we could, start a business and not have to sacrifice our income from our full-time job.
I left my full-time position. I was working in nonprofit event management. When I look back, I wish I would have done it a while ago, but it's been wonderful and we've experienced nothing but growth. I have been able to be 1,000 times more engaged with my girls. It's time that you'll never get back. I don't have to put a limit on their interests because I don't have enough energy or time.
Being in the Navy has been a lifelong commitment as far as what I've done the majority of my adult life. Equis has got a platform where the part-time person can really take advantage of their schedule in a way where they can still honor their commitment to their full-time job, be successful part-time, and still have that life-work balance.
I was drawn to the Equis Opportunity because you could just feel it, you could sense it, the honor and the integrity that Barry Clarkson and Kevin Davies and Rob Jones and Bill Martin have.
I would encourage somebody to take a look at the Equis Opportunity because a majority of the people out there are in a financial position where if they made an extra $500 a week or a month, it can change lives drastically. And we've seen it inside our agency. So I would recommend the Equis Opportunity just because you can eliminate a lot of issues just by eliminating debt. And you can create the hours, and you can create the time frame, and you can create the schedule. So why not share it?